so I got my package that I ordered today. I'm so excited and I want to show you guys what it is. Of course you already know by the title. So it's my study Bible and I just wanted to open it for you guys. I've been wanting, well actually, I've been debating about getting this study Bible because, well, it's like a study pamphlet. I wasn't sure how it was going to be, and I was looking at different reviews and stuff on it. So I've been looking at it for a couple months, and I finally decided last week to purchase it, and it came in today, October 2nd. So this is what the inside of my box looks like. It comes with both books. From my understanding, you have to get them with both. They don't let you buy them separate. So yeah, that's what's in there besides my invoice paper. I don't know. I guess this says the Bible is good for you. So I guess these are like little bracelets that I can wear. They have them in 2 different colors. My son's getting annoyed. He's in there playing, but he's ready for me to get him now. So yep, Sunday, the best day of the week. I think these are just some little stickers. And 2 bookmarks. This is the actual study Bible. Alright, so let's open this up. So here it is. I have the one for Genesis and the new one that comes with for Matthew, for the New Testament. So I have the Old Testament, it's this marble. The New Testament is part 2, it's the black. I will do a review on this, y'all. Just do a little flip through real quick. But I will actually do a review telling you guys how I like this Bible, if I started using it, different stuff like that. I keep saying Bible, but it's a study book. That's the back. This is the second part. And then this is the back. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of my Bible study tools. This is definitely something I will be trying to use this week to incorporate into my Bible journey. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all have a great day.